Hello, Robin. This is Cisco from Amplified. I spoke with Ariana earlier this morning, and as promised, I will send over this video doing a website audit. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right to it. So, Robin, looking right away at your website, some of the things that I look for is I look for content. Do you have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content with keywords? And the reason being is because a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. Looking at your website, great design, very straightforward, which is super nice. Now, going back to the keywords, the reason why you want keywords is because you want to tell Google exactly what keywords you want your website to be found for. So it's awesome to see that you guys are locally owned. Great job and beautiful family. So right away, what I'm looking at also is what areas you're currently serving. So you got all of the Brevard County and East Orlando, which is awesome. I know there's a lot of work to be done on all of these specific areas. So I'm just gonna jump right into this tab, and I want to see how well your website's performing. So this is a tool called Ahrefs. It helps you understand just that. So I'm going to jump over to this section. So this section here is your strength or your authority score. You're currently being indexed at 24. This is your trust flow, which you're currently being indexed at 12. So you're probably wondering, well, where do I need to be at? So you want to have a golden ratio of at least like 30 and above, but both of them being very close to each other, maybe by 1 or 2 points of a difference. Now, some of the things that impact these scores are your backlinks. And currently right now you have 250 backlinks with 113 referring domains. And a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. Now these backlinks or these links act like an endorsement for your website. However, not all backlinks are created equal. And that's important to understand because some websites, for example, if you were to get a website from, let's say, Pizza Hut linking back to you, it could actually hinder you, okay, which would affect these overall scores. You also want to get very strong links that are referring back to you. The last thing I want to go over is I want to go over exactly what type of keywords you're currently being indexed for. And what I'm looking for is I'm looking for specific buyer intent keywords. Okay, so that's super important to understand, Robin. So I'm just going to search for Orlando because I know Orlando is very popular just across the nation. If I were to look at Orlando, these are the type of keywords that I'm looking for. And currently right now you're being indexed for them. So let's just stick with Orlando air conditioning repair. The reason why is because, one, when folks are searching for this online, they want air conditioning repair. You see that? They're like, I need that service and I need a company in Orlando. Now, this here, the volume, this is approximately the amount of people that are searching for it for that keyword every single month. So 450 folks. This is your position. Currently right now you're at 27, so you're probably like at the third or fourth page of Google. Something to note though is that most people, they don't go past the first page looking for a company. They're going to call the ones that are on the first page of Google. Let's look at your competition before we dive in a little bit deeper on that. So if we look at here, same thing as I did with your website. Do they have keywords with local areas? And they do, right? If I were to look at emergency HVAC repair in Orlando, they're trying to rank for that keyword. Now, let's just look at their keywords, right? Going back to Ahrefs with their specific webpage, what are they ranking for and what keywords? So look, Orlando air conditioning repair, once again, it's the same one, 450, but look at their position, they're number 2. So let's just take this keyword and type it into Google and see what pops up, okay? And we're going to take it section by section. So this section here, this is the Google Guarantee or the Google Ads section. So anytime someone's on here and you click on it and you call, they will get charged a certain amount for being on the Google Guarantee and getting a call, or you just getting a click. Here, this is another section of Google Ads, same thing. You click on here, they're going to get charged an amount. Now here, which is my favorite, this is the Google My Business page. The reason why it's my favorite, because 30 to 40% of calls come from the GMB or the Google Map Pack. And some of the ways to increase your ranking is getting reviews, responding to those reviews, also updating your content, updating your customers, getting optimized photos and content. The last thing is the organic key listings. So here we see Del Air, which is the ones that I showed you. They're just organically being ranked as number one. So once again, people are going to search, they're going to see Del Air, they're going to click on their website and give them a call for air conditioning repair, which are customers that are needing services. So those are just some of the tips and tricks that I would definitely recommend looking into. If you have any questions, Robin, feel free to email me back. Give me a call also at 509-949-9300. I would love your feedback. We'd love to see your thoughts. Was this helpful or not? Like I said, no strings attached. No harm, no foul. If you decide, you know what, I'm just going to take this information, implement it myself, great. But I would love your feedback on it. So thank you so much, Robin, for your time, and we'll talk to you soon.